The Narex cabinet maker's rasps are hand stitched to produce a fast yet smooth cutting rasp. Hand stitching is a traditional manufacturing technique where each tooth is created one at a time by a craftsman using a hammer and specialized chisel. The act of hand stitching produces a slightly irregular size and pattern to the teeth that allows the rasp to cut quickly while leaving a smoother than expected surface. The difference between the machine-stitched rasp above and the hand-stitched rasp below is immediately noticeable when compared side by side. The random tooth pattern of the hand-stitched rasp is what makes it superior. Notice the hand stitching also allows the teeth to be placed all the way out to the very edge of the rasp body. The Narex cabinet maker's rasps are available in coarse, medium, and fine, and in a money-saving 3-piece set. The coarse rasp cuts quickly for fast stock removal and has roughly 10 teeth per square centimeter. The medium rasp produces a good balance between speed and finish quality and has roughly 30 teeth per square centimeter. The fine rasp is ideal for removing the marks left by the other more aggressive rasps, and is essential for those who work in harder woods like white oak or dense exotics. The fine rasp has roughly 60 teeth per square centimeter. All three rasps are 16 inches overall and have a 10-inch long body that is flat on one side and rounded on the other, allowing them to shape flat, concave, or convex surfaces. The 1 1/8 inch wide body tapers to 5/8 of an inch at the tip, allowing them to work in a variety of applications. The bodies are made of carbon steel and require some maintenance to prevent oxidation. After each use, we recommend cleaning the sawdust from the rasps using a stiff nylon or brass bristled brush, then apply a light coat of oil as you would any other quality tool. With proper care and use, the Narex cabinet maker's rasp will provide years of faithful service.